Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. It comes with great features you'll love. External memory control, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo, power telescoping steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and LED low-beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.